Namaskaram. Here we going to discuss very basic thing which is so much important in security point of view and privacy as well. And that is Linux file permission system. Linux is a Unix-like operating system and hence it is multitasking and multi-user. In Linux, users are of three types: owner, groups, and others. We will talk that later in detail in other videos. Okay, now let's check this error appear. It is saying like OS permission error and it named error 13. And also saying to check permission. So to check permission we will type command lsl. And here it appear. To understand what's going on, let's see what is RWX. So R stand for read, W for write, and X for execute, and also first 3 permissions for owner, second 3 permission for groups, and last 3 for others. So as we can see, only owner has the permission and other have null, and most importantly the user is root, so first we need to own it. To do this we will execute command sudo chown our username and then we will type directory name. After that we will set permission to complete installation. To do that we will run command sudo chmod r775 and directory name. So let's understand what is 775. 111 is a binary equivalent of 7. Where we consider 1 as true, so when all the permission read, write, and execute are true we took it as 7 and so on for 6, 5 and 4 can be understood. And that's it, all we need to understand. 755 is most common permission to set and 777 is not. And in this condition only 775 will work because we need pip and virtual environment to install, which is owned by root.